Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to hide this small notch on your Galaxy Note 10 Plus or Note 10. First of all, I would like to apologize for the background noise. I'm in the Samsung store at the moment and there are a lot of people in the store, so sorry for that. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a beautiful design and almost no bezels you can see. Very tiny bezels at the bottom and very minimum bezels on the sides. But yes, there is a small cutout for the front camera because there is no other place. But suppose if you don't like this camera cutout, for me I actually like this design and this camera placement. But for example, for some reason you don't like the camera cutout and you just want to hide it, there is an option Samsung has given in the software. So go to the setting, go to display, and click on full screen applications. Over here you can have to click on the three dot on the right side and click on the advanced setting menu. So here is an option of hide camera cutout. You can enable this. So as you can see, after enabling, you see the camera cutout has been hidden. So this is how your device looks now. Actually, it doesn't look very nice, to be honest. This is how I feel. But in this manner, you can hide the cutout of camera. At the same time, you lose small information at the top and on the side. So it's not much of a difference, to be honest. And anyways, the camera hole doesn't bother much. For me, I'll keep it like that. Full screen apps, advanced setting. I think this looks much better than when you hide the camera cutout. But again, there is an option given by Samsung in case if you'd like to use it. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus has huge options and various features as all the Samsung devices. Now, this is a demo version. I'm still waiting for my own Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which hopefully I should be getting soon. Hope you like the tip. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon. Also, I have made a playlist of Galaxy Note 10's video, which includes the sound test, comparison with S10 Plus, the color options available, and so on. Kindly click over here to see those videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.